Can you track someone's exact real-time location just by typing their phone number into Google Maps? The short answer is no. Stop trying, that's illegal. But there is a hidden official way to use a phone number to see exactly where someone is on your iPhone or Android. It's the only way Google actually lets you do this. It's incredibly useful for meetups or family safety, and most people have no idea it exists. I'm going to show you how to set it up in 30 seconds. Quick favor. If you like learning hidden phone tricks, hit that subscribe button below. Right now, it really helps me out. Okay, let's open up the Google Maps app. We need to get into the back-end menu, so tap your profile picture in the top right corner. In this list, halfway down, you'll see location sharing. Tap that. This is the control center. Now, hit that blue new share button. Here's the key. For you to see their location, the connection has to be established first, and the fast way to force that connection is by using their phone number. First, you have to choose your duration. You can do for 1 hour, or until you turn this off, or add more time. You can swipe through your contacts or tap more to bring up your whole phone book. Find the person you want to connect with and select their phone number. Hitting send will fire off a text message to them with a special Google Maps link. Here's why this works. When they get that text and tap the link, Google Maps immediately prompts them to share their location back with you. It's the perfect digital nudge. You send yours, they send theirs back, and boom. Once they accept, the little profile icon appears right on your map in real time. No more "where are you" text. It's secure, it's consensual, and it's built right into the app. Ever wonder how to see all saved passwords on iPhone? Watch this now.